Hi friends, Sam here with Happily Hook. So today we're going to be doing a new stitch tutorial. Today is the offset V-stitch. So I love V-stitches. This cardigan that I have back here is made with V-stitches. They're some of my favorites. They're so beautiful, but the offset V-stitch is such a fun change for that. So I'm really excited to show you how to do it. So just grab your hook and your yarn and let's get started. Hi friends, don't forget, when you click the link below and subscribe today to join Happily Hook magazine, not only are you getting access to the coolest crochet community on the internet, you're also getting this amazing project bag that I use every single day and these ergonomic hooks. So click the link below, subscribe today, and I cannot wait to see you in the community. Alright, so like I said, today we are going to be doing the offset V-stitch. So we've done a couple different variations of V-stitches, and I'll have those linked below. But this one is probably one of my favorites just because I really love the texture and how it looks. So we are just going to start. This is our Joann Big Twist yarn in soft purple. I've caked it up because we are getting closer to the end of it. And then I've got my 5mm hook. This is a Happily Hooked hook that you get when you subscribe to our digital magazine. But I'm going to start with this. So to start the offset V-stitch, you're going to chain any multiple of 3 plus 1. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So that is our multiples of 3. And then we will chain 1. Now we are going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to skip 2 chains. And then we are going to double crochet, chain 1, and then double crochet again. Then we are going to skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet. And then we skip 2, and we will just continue this across. And then we've got 3 chains left, so we will just double crochet in the last one. And that is how we end the row. So this is what it looks like in the beginning. This is our first row. Then we will chain 4. And then we will double crochet in this first stitch. And then in this space in between, so we have our V right here, and in this space, we have our first double crochet, our chain 1, and then we have our second double crochet. That is where we are going to start double crocheting. So right where that space is, that stitch right on top. So we have our double crochet, our chain 1, and then the next stitch here is where we're going to start our next set of V-stitches. So now we have our V-stitch is offset from the one below. So then we have our double crochet, our chain stitch, and our next double crochet, and that's where we will make, so it's still the skip 2. So skip 1, skip 2, go into the 3rd, and then we will double crochet into the top of this turning chain. And so now you can see they kind of zigzag as we go. So then to continue this pattern, we will just continue repeating row 2. So we'll chain 4 and double crochet in that first stitch, and then skip 2 and double crochet, chain 1 and double crochet in the third. Skip 2, double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and that is how you do the offset V-stitch. So now it just goes back and forth, and it's pretty cool. I love this texture. I think it's really beautiful. This would make a gorgeous blanket. It almost looks like a flower when you start getting those together. You've got like your petals kind of going everywhere with your little center circle. I don't know. I think it looks really cute. But yeah, so if you've ever done this stitch before, let me know in the comments below if you would like to make something with it. Or you have made something with it, let me see it, and make sure you tag us over on Instagram. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave those below, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!